Hello guys, welcome to this Kaggle series. So there will be a playlist of Kaggle on my channel in which I will upload few videos and the main focus will be how to solve Kaggle problems. So I will not teach you machine learning in that. You can learn it from anywhere on the internet. Nowadays a lot of resources are present on the internet, but the main focus will be how to solve the problems. As you can see, this is the Kaggle website and this is my profile, public profile. Let me get this somewhere else. How can I shift it? Can I shift it? I don't think so. I'm not getting the option here. Okay, let me, yeah, like that. So as you can see, this is my Kaggle profile. I am an expert on Kaggle. So I've contributed data sets, I've contributed to competitions. Initially my rank was a little bit lower than 5,000, but as I haven't been participating in competitions lately, so that's why it is 5,000 right now. You can also see my highest ever rank was 1,831. Okay, so that's that. Coming on to competitions, so this is the navigation bar on the website. So here you can see the home, where you can see the gist of all the things that you have been doing on Kaggle. For example, I have totally created total 89 notebooks. I've contributed to 124 discussions. Actually, this is the total posts that I have made in the discussions section on Kaggle. I have contributed 7 datasets on this platform, 23 competitions I have participated in, and total 4 courses I took. Initially, I used to learn machine learning from this learn section here. So as you can see, I have done data visualization course, feature engineering, and data cleaning. So you can take any other course from here also, and these are all free. So Kaggle gives you an opportunity to learn for free, so that is good. Apart from this, you can see this competitions tab. Okay, in the competitions tab you will get this your work here. So if you click on your work, you will get all the notebooks that you have submitted here as a list. So you can just go through them. If you want to refer any notebooks, any competitions, you can do it from here. Going back, uh, these are the featured competitions. So when you read into it, you can see that you will get a short description, when this competition was hosted, and what is the current deadline, and what is the prize money. One good thing about Kaggle is they foster competitive approach. So they want to build competitiveness among the participants. So that's why they give swags and money prizes also. So you can get that also. So now I will take you to one competition in uh, which I think will be better for demonstrating everything here. So let me see where I saw that somewhere here only. This I can see it here in my active competitions, but I want to tell you how you can navigate it from competitions tab. You can go to all competitions, and yes, you can see that in all competitions you get this list, and you have mentioned here what you can get if you win the competition. And now I will show you what are the criteria. So you can see this is the swag competition. So you will get swags from Kaggle. So when you click on the competitions tab on a particular competition, you will come on this page. So this page gives you a brief description of everything. So as you can see, these are the tags. This is a beginner, tabular level data, mean squared log error is the metric function here. So when you are calculating the loss, so you can use this as your loss function. Little bit description of the loss function is also given here. Submission file that you need to submit should be in this format. So on the left hand side you have IDs and calories on the right hand side. So I think you have to predict the calories. So in the description also your goal, you can see that your goal is to predict how many calories were burned during a workout. Okay, so this timeline shows when the competition started and when it is going to end, so you can get the idea of how much time you have left for submission. So deadline is also mentioned here and final submission date. And about the tabular data, how it was generated. So this is a synthetically generated data. This is not an original data. So the reason they produce synthetic data is because original data collection takes very long. And for these small competitions, going and utilizing your resources for collecting the original data is not, I think, a best approach to do it. So that's why they generate synthetic data. The good thing with synthetic data is that it has a balance between having real world data and ensuring that the test labels are not publicly available. So that's that. And here you can see the prices. On the first prize, you get merchandise, second also same, third also same. So as this is a swag competition, you will get only merchandise. But if you want to, one more section, citations. So you can read this. There are also citations here mentioned. So let me go back and show you one competition which has money prize. So for example, this one. This is OpenAI to Z challenge. So you can read about it. Everything is mentioned here. I'm just showing it for example. And here when you come here, you can see that on first prize they will give you this much amount, on second they will give you this much, and on third they will give you this much. So if you really can become good at this, you can earn money from here also. So I don't think that that should be your motivation to do it. I think the learning is the main thing that you should focus here. Okay, so this was the basic overview of the platform. You can explore other tabs on your own, like this dataset tab. Many other people have contributed their datasets. You can make your own datasets and also contribute here. Like you can see this button, you can just click on it and submit it here, make it here. I have made all these datasets. So these 7 datasets are my uh, datasets which I have uploaded it earlier. So models, you can use any models if you want. So they are also available. Codes are available like for different tasks, or if you want something specific, you can search about that here and get it, like for Indian patients EDA. This is exploratory data analysis. So there is a data set called Indian patients and someone has done EDA on it. So he has posted it publicly so that you can also see and learn from that. Discussions, there are various topics which are being discussed here in this section. You can also discuss along with other people. And learn section, I have already shown you. You can learn from here by taking any courses you want. So in the more you have all these other things. So I will now leave everything to you to explore this platform. Once you are comfortable with the platform, you can move on to the next video in which I will show you the first step of any Kaggle competition, that is downloading the data and data preparation. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.